Hey babes, how are you? This is your girl J Baby and welcome back to the channel, y'all. Oh my goodness, like OMG, like look at me. Girl, I am going to be, when I get older, that's all I'm saying. What? Let me move my chair back, y'all. When I get older, y'all, oh my goodness, like, and I get all of my salt and pepper, honey, I want to look just like this, okay? I want to be that glam mom. So, yes, I am a grandmother already, y'all, so, but I want to be like that glam mom, okay? One that's just, like, she look like she a rich glam mom, okay? So, today's video, y'all, listen, I am, like, beside myself right now. Today's video is going to be on Ywigs, y'all, and Y, like the W-Y, I mean like Y and then wigs. I'll have it up on the screen for you guys. And this wig right here is the Yonce salt and pepper loose deep wave. So 13 by 4 T closure bob wig. Y'all, I love this. Oh my God. Should I love this at the age I am? I mean, some people wear it because of the trend, the colors and everything. And some people wear it because they are naturally salt and pepper, y'all, okay? But listen, y'all see I'm glowing, okay? I am glowing. I love this wig. Oh my goodness, like really, really, really. I love it because it's nice and short and crop like, you know what I'm saying? And it came really, really curly. So I am going to go ahead on and put a little something in there to let you see me unboxing the wig. But let's get into it. This is a salt and pepper loose deep wave wig. It's 13 by 4 T closure bob wig, T-part lace wig, in other words. It's a glueless wig. You can actually do this glueless. It has a strap that I show you in the little clip. It has a strap that you can be able to oh my goodness, y'all. I'm like, I feel glam. I feel like I'm a glam, honey. Okay. But I put it's a strap that goes across it, you know, that way you can use to make it glueless. I use a little bit of my Bold Hold liquid gold to put this wig down, and I actually took some of my foundation from off of here and just went up in, you know, the area right here. It's 150% density. It's 100% virgin human hair, and it's 14 inches. You can wear it with or without glue, guys. Okay, so I received this wig, and this wig came really, really fast. Y'all, I have seen people just reviewing these wigs. I was like, you know what? Let me get me one because I want to see how I would look when I'm older. I want to be like that glam-ma. You know, I've seen other people style this salt and pepper wig, so many different styles. They had them younger looking and this and that, but I want that glam. I want that Glam-ma, you know what I'm saying? I want to wear those. You look like, you know how they say you're rich auntie? Well, I want to be like a rich Glam-ma. You know what I'm saying? I want to look like that. Okay? And y'all, I'm telling you, and I'm not trying to toot my own horn or nothing, y'all, but I'm telling you, I think I look good in a lot of these wigs, okay? And this salt and pepper one right here, yes. So what I'm going to do is go ahead on and be quiet. That way you can be able to go ahead and watch the install and style of this wig right here. I didn't really show you the back too much. I didn't want it to fluff it out too much, so it looks like it had like a little dent in this area, but that's because I didn't want to fluff it. It gets big, y'all, but she is human. She is beautiful. She is glammed, okay? She is so beautiful. This is how I would want to be, okay? Give me this wig when I dress up. Let me look good, okay? Just let me look like I'm just like, you know, that rich glam-ma. So this is how I would look when I'm older, y'all, with salt and pepper. Yes, girl, yes. All right, y'all, so thank you, Ywigs, for sending me out this beautiful salt and pepper wig. I always wanted to try it. I always wanted to try a salt and pepper wig. So I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and get it. Y'all could have got any other color, but why? Why? Experiment, okay? Embrace yourself, okay? That's what I wanted to do. All right, guys. So I'm not gonna be back. I'm just gonna go ahead on and show you guys the install. And you already know, like J Baby says, be blessed and not stressed. And I'll have the coupon code, and I'll have everything in the description bar for you, okay? All right, guys. Be blessed and not stressed. Mwah.